Write an algorithm to find the difference between two numbers. That means we are given two numbers. We should know the difference between them. For example, the difference between 10 and 15 is 5. Similarly, the difference between 15 and 10 is also 5. Please remember, difference between two quantities is always a positive number. So difference from that means difference between 10 to 15 or difference between 15 to 10 will be same. Now let us develop this algorithm. To find the difference between two given numbers. The first step in our algorithm is start. The second step is we have to take the numbers. So input the first number A and input that means provide the second number B. From the keyboard we have given A and B numbers. Now I have to find out the difference. Lot of people think that A minus B is the difference. If A is bigger than B, then A minus B is the difference. Please remember. Suppose B is bigger than A, then you have to take B minus A as the difference. I can write something like this. If A greater than B, then difference is equal to A minus B. Otherwise means B greater than or equal to A, then the difference you can calculate as B minus A. So this is coming under difference. And in the next step, you display the difference. And our algorithm is completed. So please look at the step number 4 in our algorithm. Suppose I am taking A value 10. Let me take A value 10 and B value 5. Now the difference is, that means A greater than B. If A greater than B, that means 10 greater than 5. Yes, true. Then the difference is, what is the difference I am getting? Then the difference is equal to A minus B. That is 10 minus 5. So 5 is the difference. Suppose I am taking A is equal to 5 and B value 10. So what is the difference I am getting? So difference is equal to, here in this case, A value is less than B value. 5 is less than 10. Then in the fourth step, you will go to else part. So in the else part, difference is equal to B minus A. So B minus A means 10 minus 5. So B is 10 minus A is 5. So again you are getting 5 as a difference. So the difference between 10 and 5 or the difference between 5 and 10 both are same. So this is the correct way of writing the algorithm. Now let me convert this algorithm into a Python program. Difference between two numbers. First we have to take these two numbers. A is equal to, let me assume these two numbers are integers. So int of input first number, B is equal to int of input second number. So these two numbers you are accepting from the keyboard. Now you can write if A greater than B, then difference is equal to A minus B. else difference is equal to b minus a. Now the next step is print the difference between these two numbers. So difference is equal to comma diff value you are displaying. So this is our program. File save our program and run module. Say first number, it is asking me the first number 10, second number suppose 5. Difference is equal to 5. Yes, this is correct. I am running once again. First number 10, second number 10. Difference is 0. I am running once again. First number 5, next number 10. Difference is 5. So difference between two numbers will be always positive number. Say suppose I am running run module. First number minus 5, second number minus 10. Again difference is 5. So the difference will be always a positive quantity.